Welcome back to ScaleSpeedworks. My name's Mike. Third time's a charm for this video. First time, I forgot to turn the camera on. Second time, I forgot to plug in my microphone. So here we go. Before I get into today's video about how I organize my stash or my collection, I got some shop cards in the mail, so I'd like to share those. My first shop card is from David Chin. David, thank you so much, brother. I appreciate you sending me a shop card. Love your artwork in the front. And man, you got an awesome channel. So thank you so much for sending me a shop card. And I appreciate the kind words in the back. My next shop card is from Jamie. Jamie, I love the 41 Willys on here. It's so awesome. Such an awesome car. And I love the diamond plate on the edges, man. That looks great. Thank you so much for sending me a shop card. I really appreciate it. Thank you for the kind words in the back. And for you guys out there who are not subscribed to Jamie, go check out his channel. My next shop card is from Dan over at 60s Rule. Dan, love the shop card. Looks fantastic. Thank you for the kind words in the back. And again, I'll link to all the channels in the description section of this video. Thanks for the shop card. Really appreciate it there. My next shop card is from Jeff over at 48 Jethro 79. Jeff, love the car in the front. It's so awesome that that's your car. You get to drive, you get to work on. It looks fantastic. Thank you for the kind words in the back. Very, very much appreciated. And I'll make sure to link to your channel in the description of this video. My next shop card, and I got two of them just like everybody else, from Zippy. Thank you so much. I really appreciate the shop card. Thank you for the kind words in the back. Your truck looks great. I love that truck. Such an awesome truck. Again, thanks for the shop card, and thank you for the kind words in the back. My last card is from Ajax over at Rattlecan Shenanigans. Another truck. This one's just great. The patina on here. Ajax is my Southern California brother. So nice to have another modeler here in California. Ajax, you got a great channel. I really appreciate the shop card. Thank you so much. And for those of you who asked for my shop card, trust me, they are on the way. So now, let's take a look at how I organize my collection. I use these bins that I get at Target. I like them because they're clear, they're sturdy, they have a nice lid that locks on, and they're under 10 bucks. They're about 20 inches by 13.5 by 13 on the inside. I could fit about 14 kits in there. So after going through and looking at my kits, I just recently reorganized them. In the top bin on the left, I have all of my pickup trucks. The bottom bin, I have all of my Japanese kits that are odd sizes and don't really fit in with the Revell and AMT and Monogram kits that I have. On the other side, on top, I have all of my Mustang kits, and on the bottom, I have all of my Camaro kits, except for the Revell Hummer H2. The next box, up on the top left, I have a lot of my kits from the 1980s. Dodge Daytona, Dodge Omni, Capri Turbo RS. Pretty excited about that one. On the bottom, I have mostly high performance sports cars. I have Corvettes in there, mostly Corvettes, a couple of Dodge Vipers, but I have a couple other random kits as well. On the top right, I have mostly Firebirds, and the bottom right, I have my 60s and 70s muscle cars in there. Again, mostly Mopars, but they're all muscle cars. On the top left, I have a couple of 60s muscle cars that didn't fit in the other box. And then I have some other random cars in there, including a couple of 40 Fords, a Plymouth Prowler, a Jeep, and some other stuff. The bin on the bottom, I have a lot of my 90s kits you've seen me highlight in my classic kit review series. And the other photo, the top right, I have a couple of more large kits. That Fire Pumper, I'm excited about that. Behind that, I have some miscellaneous resin kits and some other kits that really don't fit neatly into the other boxes. On the bottom, I have a bunch of oversized monogram kits that, again, don't fit neatly into the other boxes. I've showed you my Excel sheet before. I still use my Excel sheet to keep track of what I have and where I have it. Again, I've reorganized it a little bit, but it still works for me. I can see what kits I have, when they were manufactured, and the kit numbers. My kits are in the garage. I like to have them in the bins. That way I know they're safe from moisture, they're safe from heat, and protected from any critters that might get into the garage. Even though I have the Excel spreadsheet, I can look through the bins, grab a kit that I need, and go from there. Again, I said it was going to be a little bit different than the way everybody else organizes their kits, but it works for me. So thank you guys very much for watching. I appreciate it, and I will see you guys on the next one.